Ever pondered why cells are often referred to as the building blocks of life? This isn't just a catchy phrase, but a reflection of the fundamental role cells play in all living organisms. From the smallest bacteria to the largest blue whale, every living thing is composed of cells. Cells are the smallest unit of life that can replicate independently. They're considered the basic units of life because they create, sustain, and replicate life. So, what exactly are cells made of? Each cell is like a tiny, self-contained factory, bustling with activity. They are structured in a way to carry out a variety of functions necessary for the survival of organisms. The structure of a cell consists of the cell membrane, the cytoplasm, and the nucleus. The cell membrane, often described as the gatekeeper, is a thin, flexible barrier that surrounds the cell. It controls the movement of substances in and out of cells, ensuring that essential nutrients enter while waste products exit. Inside the cell membrane is the cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance that houses various organelles, each with its own unique function. These organelles are akin to the organs in our bodies, each contributing to the cell's overall health and function. Among these organelles, a prominent one is the mitochondrion, often dubbed the powerhouse of the cell. It generates the cell's energy by breaking down nutrients. Without mitochondria, cells would lack the energy required to carry out their functions. The nucleus, often referred to as the brain of the cell, holds the cell's genetic material in the form of DNA. It controls and regulates the activities of the cell, such as growth, metabolism, and reproduction. Now that we've delved into the structure and function of cells, it's clear that these microscopic entities are more than just building blocks. They are complex and dynamic, each performing tasks essential for life to exist and thrive. To recap, cells are the smallest unit of life that can replicate independently, composed of a cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. The cell membrane acts as a gatekeeper, controlling what enters and exits the cell. The cytoplasm is a hub of activity, housing organelles like the mitochondria, which generates the cell's energy. And the nucleus, the brain of the cell, holds the genetic material and regulates the cell's activities. Understanding cells, their structure, and their function is a fundamental step in understanding life itself. From helping us grasp how diseases affect our bodies to guiding the development of new medical therapies, the study of cells holds the keys to numerous scientific breakthroughs. So the next time you hear that cells are the building blocks of life, remember, they're not just building life, they're running the show.